आयतारा पर्वरी विजनरीज ह्या क्लबाचे उद्घाटन महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांचे हस्तुकी जाले. तशेंच डायनामीक युवा आमदार आनी मंत्री रोहन खंवटेचो ह्या वेळार भोवमान केलो. हो सुवाळो पर्वरीच्या सुकूर पंचायतीच्या सभाघरांत जालो. आरडी एक्सपो खातीर सुकूरच्यान संजय मनवली.
That's our T-shirt. Yes. Thank you very much, sir.
First and foremost, I congratulate Porvorim Visionaries for having done various activities without having being noticed by anybody. Service to the society is something which comes within you, and it is our utmost, you would say, a part which you, some role you would like to play in life with no expectations. Each one has a role to play, but blaming the system all the time and ye zaina manchapeksha coming in the system and trying to change, and the love for Goa is something which will come into politics. I think that Rohan County is only here because of all of you all. It is not Rohan County who has done something. As a leader, I have taken a certain thought in my mind. But it is you people, the ZP, the Sarpanch, the elected Panchayat bodies, it is all of you who have stood by to ensure that what vision we carried along, we carried it together. Togetherness is a very important quotient. गोंयकार पण राखता म्हणटा पळय ते खऱ्या अर्थान गोंयकार पण राखतले जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट बी गव्हर्नमेंट अलोन. It has to be all of us doing the role. Government can take the lead. Each one is contributing to the society in the way they can, and that is the way the society grows. And this is the role I feel Porvorim Visionaries have to play, where it is for the betterment of Porvorim as we take Porvorim ahead. आज Porvorim Visionariesचे सुरुवात झाली आसा. I would only say that Porvorim Visionaries have to have concrete things in mind while taking things ahead. A small sharing of thought which I did with Carol and the team the other day was creating a new thing like a no more zone on the service road. No more zone म्हणजे no vehicle zone, no motor zone. एक दिसा खंयच्या आयतारा करया आमी सांगला. त्या आयतारा भुरग्यांक ते सर्विस रोडाच्या स्ट्रेचार गाडयांक बंद आसतले. On that particular day, the children can cycle, skate, people can come and do paintings, artists can do something more. Each one, somebody can play a band, some people can put up stalls. So you are just creating some new amenity, or you say a new type of activity where you're trying to get all people together. And for achieving all these thoughts, I look forward to your continued support to take Porvorim to a bigger, or to achieve bigger heights.